Hi, Hudson. Hi, Jack. You guys playing? Oh. What do you think, huh? Hi, Jack. You waving?
Hi.
You guys can share. Uh-oh. That's right. It's Mommy's purse.
You know, boys generally don't play with those.
I know.
Just so you two know.
This is a rare occasion for both of you. Hope you know.
I don't know why you used to play with purses. They're good for storing your things, but you have to give them to your wife. And she stores them in her purse. Never carry her around.
Oh, Mr. Murphy. Whoa. Yeah. You guys got lots of toys, huh? Well, we got lots of real toys. For whatever reason, those don't entertain you. It's rather the non-toys that seem to be the most fascinating. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You guys say bye-bye? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good job, guys.